Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and of course, having another little look at what's happening with the October 2018 update. So, a lot of you, of course, commenting, a lot of people wondering when this is going to be out officially. Lots of comments also about how, some frustrated users. You got to think about one thing. There's a certain number of users that actually want to have this and are frustrated at the fact that it's not there. But I'm looking at it with a different angle also as to all the bad publicity around the October 2018 update now, with everybody saying there's problems. And the image that it gives of Windows 10 to regular users that just don't really care about having new features or this update, but know that they'll be forced to get it anyways. And they hear all the people having problems, and you're like, really? I'm not sure that I want to have this now. And it is kind of a very interesting, thing here. When you know that something is, everybody's saying it's bad, and you know you're going to get it at one point. Man, it's not good news for Microsoft, that's for sure. So, of course, we're in November the 1st. There's no October 2018 update in sight. There's an update that was pushed, so they fixed the zip file problem. They also fixed a couple of other problems. Right now, it's standing at version 17.763.107. I guess we'll have a cumulative update that will be pushed for those that have updated to the October 2018 update. And it's interesting to see the statistics behind it. So 2.3% of Windows 10 users apparently, and this is according to AdDuplex, have updated to the October 2018 update. And in number of users, apparently it puts users somewhere between 10 or 16 million users that actually are and have upgraded to October 2018 update. So I don't know. And of course, Microsoft tries to lower the number of people that had some file loss and so on, but they didn't pull it because there was almost nobody having a problem. They pulled it because there was a problem, and that's obvious. Rumors are that it might be released either next week. So 2 rumors actually that I've seen on the internet. Next Tuesday, that would be Tuesday, November the 6th, or at Patch Tuesday, a week later, which will be November 13th, Tuesday, November 13th. Of course, you can't download it right now. A lot of people are saying, well, I don't see it, I don't get it in my updates. Yeah, you won't see it as long as they're not re-releasing it. And you probably will not see it immediately unless you force it for the first couple of weeks after they re-release it, because they're going to go again as slow as possible and try to have you not push it to everyone immediately. And when things look right, well, they'll start pushing it again. But all in all, when you look at it, it doesn't matter if you don't have the latest update right now. Windows 10 April 2018 update, if it works well for you, it's okay. And I mean, for the most part, most people won't actually use the features and will just say, well, I wasted an hour plus, or so for some of them with, some users with slower computers, maybe a couple, 2, 3, 4 hours of install time to find a October 2018 update that doesn't seem any different from anything else that they've had, which is also that's kind of another debate, another question here. So we're still waiting. We're November the 1st, and pretty sure we'll have it in November, but there's no official date yet. Like I said, 2 rumors right now place this as either next Tuesday, November the 6th, or Patch Tuesday for the month of November, which is the second Tuesday of the month. That will be November 13th. So we'll see what happens. And of course, we will have a video to talk about this release here once it's available. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.